tiny hand in mine. You're 5 feet off the ground. You rest on my shoulder. The stars come.
Hey everyone, we're out here on the north side of Roosevelt Reservoir here in Arizona.
We are super excited. We got some of our friends from our Exploretography Meetup group coming to join us, and we're going to be photographing the Milky Way tonight.
Yeah, so we hope you enjoy it. Let's get going.
Forever be in this moment, in this moment. Forever be, forever be. The night fades like a whispered song as time rushes on. Oh, it won't be long, fading now into a memory, a picture on the wall, a moment frozen to fall. In
dry cider. We appreciate you leaving your can. We'll throw it away for you.
All right, we had a gorgeous night out here under the stars photographing the Milky Way with our friends.
Yeah, we had a few friends show up, and we hope you enjoyed the pictures we showed you. It was a great night, a simple night, and it was a lot of fun.
Yeah, it started off pretty windy. To be honest, we weren't even sure that we were gonna spend the night at the beginning. So between 5 and 7, it got really windy. It finally died down, and it turned out to be a gorgeous night.
It was a gorgeous night. It actually died down to no wind at all, so it ended up being beautiful.
Yeah, except for when there was no air movement in the tent. It did get a little warm, but we can't complain because we woke up again to these gorgeous views.
Yeah, absolutely. It's definitely still summer here in Arizona. Got a little warm, but it was worth it.
Yes, and we are super excited to go down to Superior now and get some breakfast. We decided not to cook this morning at camp. We wanted to keep it simple, as Lauren said. And so I don't know about you, but I'm kind of getting hungry.
I'm starving. Let's get out of here
All
and
right.
go find some breakfast.
Let's do it.
All right. Bye, guys.